Efficient performance 20-gallon ultra-large tank and 175 psi max tank pressure stores more air in the tank for longer tool run times. Powerful. The powerful 1.8 HP horsepower, for SCFM at 90 psi allows for quick compressor recovery time. It is enough to make it easily drive a variety of industry and household equipment. Sturdy and durable. The 20-gallon air compressor made of stainless steel, rubber feet and oil-free pump for long life cycle and no maintenance. Multifunction. This air compressor is designed for garage, job site and workshop, etc. Perfect used for inflating, cleaning, stapler pinner, brad/finishing nailer, roofing nailer, wrench, drill, paint sprayer, caulk gun, chisel and other tools. 2-gauge built-in air tools, one for measure the tank pressure, one for measure the tool's pressure. Air pressure range, 145 to 175 psi. Dual quick coupler for multiple tools work at same time. The coupler fit for 1/4 NPT size connectors. 1 automatic air tank pressure safe valve for safety. The item was meticulously wrapped and tightly sealed, ensuring its safe transport.